The Cyrill UltraColor for the Pixel 10 device is one of the most minimal and elegant case I've ever tested, bringing Spiggin's sub-brand signature cheerful approach to Google's latest flagship. While Cyrill maintains the consistently excellent build quality you'd expect from the Spiggin family, the two brands couldn't be more different in personality. Something you'll notice immediately from the smiley face greeting you on the box, complete with cute stickers and a thoughtful wrist strap included. The back of the UltraColor is refreshingly plain, featuring only a crisp white frame around the camera bar that breaks up the smooth finish beautifully. I love this subtle detail because it highlights the Pixel 10 device's distinctive camera bar design while softening those hard edges and making it significantly more pocketable. The matte TPU material on the back can feel a bit slippery at first, but Cyrill crafted an elegant solution to this common complaint. A glossy strip with completely different texture runs down each side of the case, adding substantial grip exactly where you need it most. While this type of material typically attracts fingerprints and smudges like crazy, it doesn't matter here because it's positioned only on the sides where your hands naturally rest. The buttons maintain that same matte material and deliver satisfying, clicky feedback that feels premium. There's a thoughtfully placed set of holes on the left side for attaching the included wrist strap, a feature I initially dismissed but came to appreciate for added security. The lip provides just enough height to protect your Pixel 10 device's screen without interfering with swipe gestures, though the phone's refined bezels certainly help here too. While the thin TPU construction won't offer maximum drop protection like bulkier alternatives, it provides more than adequate protection for everyday use. True to its name, the UltraColor comes in gorgeous colorways, with the standard versions offering excellent value at $5 less than the printed camo variants.